Hey y'all, it's your girl Squeak and I'm back with another video. So if y'all watching this video, welcome to my channel. If y'all haven't already, go like and subscribe. So today in this video, I'm gonna be getting into this wig, y'all. Yeah, so I'm gonna be getting into this wig. I already had it. Came with like water curls. Y'all, I done had some. Man, it took me a long time for me to even like this wig. So I forgot the damn name of the wig. It's the Isis Red carpet lace front wig. RCPSS5. I'm fried as hell because this 775, not SS5. RSP775 Bia. It's the Bia wig, and I got color creamy blonde. And I got this one off of Sam's Beauty, but they also have it on GoBeautyNewYork.com, and I'm actually looking at it too on another site, Ebony Lime. I pretty much look it up. They got it probably like all the wig sites. On the site, the color looks so bomb. It's like so bright and stuff. And I had got it. Y'all can see like it's bright, but it's dark. It wasn't nowhere near the color of the damn wig. So when I first got it, I'm like, the color is dark as hell. So like I said, it took me a whole bunch of liking to get used to this wig. It was a I'm gonna put a picture up how it originally looked. It is a 13 by 4, probably a 13 by 1 because I'm gonna show y'all my edge is looking crazy. I don't even care, but I'm gonna show y'all this mug is little as hell. It don't even go down to here. It's like right here, and then it don't. You see how it's not even over my edges? Like it's little, y'all. It fit real little. So it ain't glued down right now, but I probably won't glue it down for real. Just throw me some baby hairs up there. So it's real little. It's a breathable cap and stuff. It got 3 combs in it, adjustable straps. So but anyways, y'all, I wanted to come to y'all with this video because I wanted to I originally did flat iron. Like I said, it had a curl in it and I flat ironed it. And I was like, ooh, I like her now. I like her. So but I still wanted to cut it. I never got to cut it. I still wanted to like probably cut it to here, so I was like, I'm gonna just do it in the video for y'all. So what we gonna do in this video, y'all, we is gonna cut this hair, we gonna flat iron it, and make it look nice and throw some waves on it. I just got this new, let me show y'all. I just got this new. So if y'all wanna see how this is gonna turn out, keep watching this vid, okay? So I don't think this wig is like big hair friendly for real. I will say it's not. So like y'all, I just went to go look at myself in my bathroom mirror. Here, it didn't look like I got a lot of makeup. I ain't going there, bitch. I got on helly makeup, okay? So we gonna get into this wig though. Well, what happened to Pandora? All right, we're gonna get into that. Basically, even when I do this even on my my human hair. short looks. Real simple, easy. I just cut it with the clippers. This side is probably longer, but we not about to fuck with it. I'm gonna end up effing it up. So that's how I get my short looks. Let's see how I look. Next, I'm going to different kind of buttons. I got ceramic, red, and you can put them like on. I probably got it like on 360. So right now I'm gonna just I'm gonna plug my new thingies in too and see how these work. Oh god, you know, I got her everywhere. Over my face. Okay. It's definitely a look. Oh, I just broke my son. What the hell like a bed on? Come on, cause I'm impatient now. Cause you gonna work. Y'all think that would have been a look though? Y'all think that would have been a look? I think I like it better straight. This damn hair, get out of my face. For stuff. We can flat iron it. What the hell is this? Piece of hair. Got ripped out, whatever. So yeah, this is the finished. Oh, not yet. Hold on. I have to finish project shit. Get right here. I woke up in beast mode. Okay, so this is the finished projects. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. This is how you make your synthetic wig look natural. Yeah. Okay. Look at it. Tell me this don't look like no real hair, y'all. This don't look like no real hair. I can put some concealer right here. This is cute. Like I said, get y'all some clippers. This is the best way to cut your hair into like a blunt, short look. Do not use scissors. That are probably, especially not on a synthetic wig. Don't use no scissors. Use this. Get some clippers. $10 or $15. $20 at the most, anywhere. So this is the finished product. This is how you make your wig look natural, okay? And you just take your flat irons. You know, if it's a little puffy at the top, you take it. You go around the wig. Ow, I just burnt the shits out of myself. Go around the wig. I have wine curlers too, so if you got some wine curlers, you could do this. This would work good too, because it's all iron. You could just go like that on it. All around. Cute. But y'all, this is how you make your natural wig look. I mean your synthetic wig look natural. Like I told y'all, when I got this hair, then I like it. I guess I get kind of close and personal, but y'all, look at the hair though, like. I love it. I'm definitely about to wear this for St. Patty's. I'm going to be drink. I'm going to drink. That's all I'm going for. So y'all, thank y'all for watching this video. If y'all want your wigs to look natural like this, or y'all want that blunt cut, even though some synthetic hair or some natural human hair, use one of these. This is what I use. Like, it's the perfect way to do it. It's easy. Y'all see how I did it? Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Done. Like, it's the easiest way. I do this on my human hair too. When I wanted to cut like this, like that blunt short cut, I use these. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure y'all go like my other videos, my other natural looking wig. My wig I got from Amazon, my pink rose gold trip. Y'all that's a must get. Y'all definitely gotta go get that wig. Definitely go watch that review and definitely go get that wig. Go hit that link in the description on that pink Amazon wig and go get that wig. Cause that's definitely a look right there. And definitely make sure y'all definitely go subscribe to my channel so y'all can see when I update. Thank you for watching this video. I will see y'all the next one. Thank y'all.